Okay, I wanted to show you all this. Sorry, the wind is, it's about to storm here. The wind is pretty rough. So, get in here. I don't know how you guys will be able to see this or not, but I worked on this yesterday. I wanted to, well, I debated about having a TV in here because I thought, you know, is that why I go, you know, spend time outside in the woods? But, you know, there are times, honestly, that we're kind of stuck in the van or the camper or whatever. So I thought, you know what, I want a TV in here. So what I did, I got me just your standard 24-inch TV here. It was on sale at Walmart for $68, and it's a smart TV. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I bought the bracket, I hope you can see that right here, off Amazon. Now, when I got it in, I thought, man, I don't know if there's any way in the world I'm going to be able to mount that, because as we know in our vehicles, the vans, unless you have one of the newer Sprinters or the Transits with the straight walls, in these older vintage vans, there's nothing plumb, there's nothing square, there's nothing flat. So, but I thought I could make this bracket work, and I realized on camera here, I'm not gonna be able to see it, but my idea was for the bracket to be bolted up here, and you probably can't see it. It may even look flat to you from this angle, but it's not, it's curved. So I just thought that I could bolt the bracket up here, but when I did that, it was dipping down way too far. So in other words, the bottom of the TV would have been hitting my bed. So I looked at some videos online, I'm on YouTube rather, and a lot of them had some great ideas. I saw some where they had cut a board with a wedge in it to kind of offset that angle, so you could bolt the bracket to it and it would give it more of an upright position. But that's way above my pay grade, so I don't need to cut angles. As you guys know from other videos, you know, I have no construction skills at all. But I did come up with this, and we're gonna see how it works. I just had this 1x3 laying around right here, and I ended up bolting the bracket to the 1x3. You can see the screws here. And then again, I know you can't see this angle. I pretty much got it the best I could, perpendicular. So I bolted the top end up here, got it straight the best I could. I pulled it out a little bit down here, and you may not can see it. There's a little L bracket down there. And man, I'm telling you, it seems to work pretty good. I mean, I'm pulling on it right now, and it and it seems okay. So you know how it goes. Only time will tell. And hey, worst comes to worst, it's just gonna fall over, and I'll do something different. But I realize y'all, this angle's terrible. But I wanted you to see it because I wanted it to be, get back over here. So where you are now, you're at the head of my bed. So if I wanted to watch TV from the bed, I could do that. But it's important to me also to be able to watch TV. And I know y'all, this is terrible. I'm doing a terrible job, I'm sorry. If I'm sitting in my chair. So there we go. Oh, that light. I'm gonna turn that stupid thing off. Turn the light off here. Hang on. There we go. Okay, oh, these other lights need to go off too. I'm sorry, you guys, goodness. Just wanted to get this out to you. Whoop, well, that crashed and burned. Ah, there goes my lights. Oh, well, authentic on here, right? Okay, I also realized that people may ask, well, why didn't you just bolt the bracket to the ceiling? Well, the cross pieces, I don't know what you call them in the van, the ribs or whatever, they were spaced out really too far. I could have put a brace up there, but it really would have made the ceiling look bad. So I didn't do that. That's why I used the Frankenstein, whatever you want to call it, bracket that I made. So anyway, also, if I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I will be able to stream. And also, I found out that my hotspot will accommodate this as well. So if I've got any kind of signal, I'll be able to watch TV, I guess, on a rainy day or a whatever day. Anyhow, this is my solution, to have TV in your camper van. Get out and roam around.